Hello friends and potential friends. It's been a while since I showed you my outside garden, mainly because I'm pretty much ashamed of my outside garden. It's been a strange year for trying to grow stuff in Central Florida. We started off, we didn't have any freezes last winter, and I got some tomatoes out of that deal incidentally. But then it stayed cool for probably an extra month into the spring. Cooler than we normally expect. Oh look, there's a racer over there. Can you see him? Let me walk over and see if he'll cooperate. We may turn this into a critter show. Let's see if I can zoom in on him a little bit. I don't know whether you can see him there, but the little black stripe you see coming down off of the bromeliads is one of my black racers. I don't want to get any closer. I don't want to scare him. Come on out, racer. You can come visit. You know I won't hurt you. Okay, come on. I see you, but I'll pretend that I don't. Got him pretty well centered there, but he blends in pretty well. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see him unless he moves. And right now he's pretending that if he doesn't move, I can't see him. There, you can see part of his body up in the bromeliads, and then his head is actually down there near the bottom center of the screen. Come on, racer, put on a show for us. I'm going to be quiet for a minute, see if he'll come out. Yeah, looks like it's going to be a waiting game. Let me see if I can liven it up a little bit. Yep, and he's gone. Okay. Thank you, racer. Well, let's start this over. I was just interrupted by one of my black racers. Hello, friends and potential friends. It's been a while since I did a walk around in my outside garden, mainly because I'm pretty much ashamed of my outside garden. It's been a weird year for growing food in Florida, especially down here in Central Florida. Started off the last winter, we didn't have any freezes. I got some tomatoes out of that deal. But then, when spring supposedly came, it stayed cool here for about another month. That got us through to about March or April. So I got everything in the... Oh, there's the racer again. Let's take a look again. He wants to see what I'm talking about. Do you see him? He's in my garden bed over there. There he is, going into the aloe. The piece of drip line that's moving is not drip line. But he's staying real close to it. I guess he figures I can't see him. There he goes, up over the top. And now he's gone again. I guess this is going to be another critter cam, and he's just going back over to where I saw him the first time. Yep. And he's gone again. Oh no, there he is. He's watching me. He's watching me watch him. Do you see him on that bromeliad right there? Let me see if I can spot him in the screen. He's sitting there looking right at me. It's okay, Racer. I'm not going to bother you. I wouldn't bother you even if I could have a chance of catching you. I don't know whether I can even see him in the screen here, but he's just sitting looped over the top of that one bromeliad, sitting there looking straight at me, listening to every word I say, probably thinking to himself, would you please leave so I can go shopping? I think I've got him pretty well centered in the screen right now if you want to try to pick him out. His body is hanging down off the left hand side of the bromeliad, loops up over the top of it, and then his head is almost directly in the center of the screen right now, looking directly at me. Okay, Racer. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? There's his body, and there's his head. And the camera is about 1.5 feet from him right now. There's his head. Body loops up across there and down there. And he's pretending that if he doesn't move, I can't see him. Yeah, there he is. Okay, it's okay, Racer. It's okay. I'll leave you alone. Well, that was neat. He let me get pretty close to him. At this rate, I'm never going to get this update done.